Hello everyone, welcome to Wellness HQ. Today we are going to talk about how to use the OraQuick HIV self-test kit. It's been shown to be accurate, safe and easy to use. And so if you are shy of going to the hospital or want to know your HIV status in the comfort of your home, you can try this OraQuick HIV self-test kit. So stay with us and we'll dive right in. Welcome back. So before you do the test, here are a few things you need to know. You need a convenient, spacious, private place like this to do your test. You also need to read the instructions carefully. The instructions will come in the pack, which you will get in very soon. For example, you do not have to eat, drink, or use a mouthwash for 30 minutes before the test. Some experts also recommend that you do this test first thing in the morning before you brush your teeth. Also, if you are a non-HIV positive, you don't need this test, else you're going to get false negatives. So here are a few things you need to know before you do the test. So let's use the test kit now, shall we? Over here, you see an instruction here which says tear here. So you follow that dotted line. So after tearing it, you take out the instructions. It comes in two formats, English and then local dialect. This is tree. So you, as I mentioned earlier, you read the instructions carefully. Make sure you understand everything that is in it. Okay. Next, you should expect three main items in the kit. One is the holder for the tube, and then there is you will also find here a test liquid tube. You see a little liquid in here, that's what you use for the test. You open it gently, take out the cover, and then you place the container in the holder like this. Okay. Then you take out your test stick like that. Do not touch the flat part of the stick, else you just contaminate it. Also, you see a bag in here. It's just for storage purposes only, and you do not have to use it. Next, press it firmly against your gum. Once on the upper part and once on the lower part, like this. Now you dip the stick inside the container till it hits the bottom. You leave it there for 20 minutes. You do not have to read the result after 40 minutes. Now, you have to read the results. Look for two lines in the results window. You see a C, which is control, and a T, which is test. One line next to C means negative. Two lines, even if faint, mean a potential positive result. What does a potential positive result mean? A positive result means you may have HIV. It's crucial to get confirmatory testing from a healthcare provider. They can also provide support and connect you with care. A negative result indicates you likely don't have HIV. However, if you think you may have been recently exposed, get tested again in 3 months. So there you have it, guys. The OraQuick HIV self-test kit is a convenient and reliable way to know your HIV status at home. If you have any questions or concerns, you should always consult a healthcare professional. If you found this video useful, you can like and hit the subscribe button. You can also share with your friends and loved ones and join the family. Alright, catch you another time. Bye.